You can see the rust. Wow. Hi guys. So today we're going to be removing this rust from this plier with ketchup. Okay, so yeah, when I see ketchup, the only thing I can think of is food. But I just got to know that ketchup can do other stuffs too, like removing rusts from iron. So I'll be trying it today to see how true it is. So stay with me throughout this video so that you too will get to see if truly it works. Okay, so now this is the plier. You can see the rust. As you can see, yeah, it is rust. So this is ketchup. Let me try using it on this so that you see the rust. Wait. Wow. It's a lie. Wait, it worked. Like, are you for real? Wow. Wow. So yeah. So I'm just going to wash this off to see if truly this thing worked, because this is all the rust here, down here, and wow, wait a minute. I'm just going to wow, guys, this is real. This is so real. This is wow. All I used was just ketchup, nothing more. The rest is gone. Like, wow. Can you see this? Like, this is as good as new. Okay, so I don't know if I'm really supposed to be putting water on this, but seriously, I'm shocked. It was just ketchup, nothing else. Like, the rest is gone. Like, the rest is gone. This is super gone. Like, gone. Like, just ketchup. Wow. Why didn't anybody tell me this sooner? Wow. Okay, so I still have rust on some areas because I didn't cover the whole thing with ketchup well. But guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at how rusty it was before. But now with just ketchup, and I allowed it sit for like 6 hours, and this is it. This is wow. guys, what do you think about this video? Let me know in the comment section. And also, how old were you when you got to know this trick? Like, are you just knowing it? Am I the first person to tell you or teach you this trick? Guys, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, after subscribing, please turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you will be the first to know. And also, if you can help in the comment section, what can I actually do to this plier to prevent it from rusting again, because my ketchup is very, very precious to me. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye.